Hiyawan! Hiyawan dyan na pinag. Sa Malenyos! Isa. Dong, pamaliw may isang kamera boss. Ay, okay na mag-video. Ay lang ang live. Lamat dong. 10 minutes of magkakalaan in action here. Tapabat, bawat the board was Gia. Bilucho. Jump ball against the big man nasa red. Heads it up, Team Anya. Kabacha and BB's coming from the rainbow. Maris is wide open from the rainbow. Doesn't work. On the way to Dima. Kushishin. At dinir you of Galpos. Carlos Monya looking for Las Avita Bima. Siya nagtaping team. Asia pass at the corner. Next time, masyado malakas. Kings in hand. Kamag attacking. What to slap. Shot ang sabaw. Yan Persa. Masyado malakas. Tapikan. Back to Kings with the shot. Setting the play. Shot down to the there's the ball screen attacking. Asia pass. Kapacha pull up from the rainbow. Doesn't work. Fighting for the rebound. Babalik yan. Ball play. Ball up from the team. Gather. Transition on the attack. And goes. The shot knocked down to Regine. Asia pass at the corner. Ball play. Shot knocked down to John. Let's go now. 10 seconds shot on. Looking for down. Looking for walang nakita, kicks it out. Manases, stop and pop from Talent Manziria. Papagpagin ang depensa, attacking confident, stop and pop, Asia Mas. Kabigan, Marces on goal. Jersey number 77. Pagtatawin, Hidiscami, shot and down to 18 years in the watch screen, attacking, and go inside to the spot. At kawan. Babalik ang kasama. Looking for jersey number 71. Babalik yan. Ilalabas muna siya ng 14. Cross-court pass. Gabacha siya ng down to 12. Gabacha down to 8 seconds shot. Laguti and dropping. Looking for rest of the game. Nasa Federation pass. Under the rim. Ball is good. Susubukan ayaw. Let's go ya. At the corner. Masyado malakas. Over for Barsas. Babalik rin para sa team Anya. Pero Marces down to looking for jersey number 4. Gabacha. Extra pass. Marces for a punta. Late. Masyadong malakas. Babalik yan. And bawang yung sino mahanapin. Kicks it up. In down to big man Kuyuka. Looking for Amayo. Masyadong malakas. Alvis Tama. Gilis the balls back. Agawan. Team Anya position. There's a Marces. Steal. Pagpay tawag. Looking for Kuyuka, creating space, couple again, and there's a conjunctive foul. Looking for jersey number 21. Turn around, looking that pa. Babalikan. Para sa team Abia, Inang Flores. Didiscarte itong Flores. Ibibigay kay Flores. Shot at down to the team. Looking for under the rim. Basket is good. Jersey ka shot na, Kuyuka. Cross-court pass, steal. Here goes Flores, looking for Flores! Ganda connection naman! Isang kanitin Amanyo, ibibigay. Tama, wide open. And an out. On good for Amalero. Team Amya position. Aantayin ang kasama. Inang Flores ang Didis Kami. Here's the ball screen. Shot back down to the team. Flores susubukan ng defense. Shot back. Shot off. Turn around, impiniendo. Taro with this one onward and counter steal. Taro is still for Kuyuka. That was over. Extra passes the big man. And out of bounds still. 5. Basket is good. Basket is good. Once again, Shama. Down to 5. Shot like down to BG. Using the ball screen. Cortez second shot like crossover. Ibibigay, takbigan ang position. And now, here comes the Bata. Pinipit yung bola doon. Ang 20 last 80. 15 seconds game ball. Doesn't work. Last summer. Last three. Marces. Diniscount dito Marces on top of the key. Here's the ball screen. Ibibigay, ibabalik. Wide open. Kapacha for turn. Saki. Ibibigay at the corner. Koyuka doesn't work. On board. Team Omnia position. Here comes Marces. Looking for. Ibibigay. Ilalabas mo na. Shot clock 17. Here's the ball screen. Sasayawan. Kapacha. Not this time. Onward for the big man. Babalik. With this third onward, Koyuka higits the ball back. Carlos Conya attacking ipinihin. When he goes over, takes it out at the corner. Ball fake, Jun number 13. Ibibigay. Last off. With this yan. At babalik. 7 minutes regulation line. Kabacha. Shot like down to routine. Attacking. Go inside. One to step. Domination. But not with this. Thunders. Ulit ang diniscount the Altex Damay. Steal. Here it comes. Brutado attacking. And go inside. Ladies. Stawag. Bumper in with shot. Ball is good. Lucas. Looking for the tackle. Shot like right. Lucas, ayaw na linaw. Here comes Camacha! Pines. Using the ball screen. Sino mahanapin? Koyuka, extra pass. Carlos Conya, susubok ka sa ilalim. May tawag. Koyuka, ball up from 18. Shoot. Tapikan na po siya dyan. Babalik na naman ulit para sa Team Omnia. Here he comes. Jersey number 17. Ibibigay. Looking for Camacha. Shot like 15. Kabacha, patawag naging ang didiskarte. Attacking down the lane, kicks it out. Ball fake. Susubukan ng depensa. Pilit na tira. Nag-disturb. Koyuka on board. The new of Campos and now the coach general. Looking for Alves Taman. Ball fake is stuck and down. Sigas Gagawad. Still Alves Taman and now the coach general Armando. Doesn't work. Fighting for the rebound. On board. Para kay Bastos. Here comes the big man. This is the back jumper. Ibibigay Bastos ball. Shot back down to Ay! Amano. Here comes the court general attacking. Kicks it out at the corner. Oh, can't destroy. But ball is good. Ball up. This. Yeah, the ball is good. Here comes Camacha. On top of the key. Here's the court general. Looking for the big man. But ball is good. Babalikan. The court general Amano. Koyuka at the corner. Round 2. Doesn't work. Hespo, on board. Ibibigay yan ilang Apakero. Looking for jersey number 11. Attacking and go inside extra pass. Agawan. The court general. Here comes Amano. Go inside. Makabalik yan para sa Team Omnia. Brutado. What a man. Nabigan. Deny. Agawan. The ball skip kicks it out at the corner. The court general. Koyuka point big man. Ball fake, what to step. Here's the big man. Babalik ulit para sa Team Omnia. Jersey number 71. Down to Hesto. Here's the big man. Ball fake. Ayaw tumalaw. Ball is good. And now the court general Amanyo ang magtatawid down the lane. Looking for Koyuka. Wide open from way downtown. Doesn't work the steal. In that position, Brutalo. Here comes attacking. Nakawala. Ang bilis ng 1-2 step ng Kapacha. Aantay yung kasama. Wide open. Shoot. Papalikan pa sa New York Campos. Tara, aging siya mas at the corner. Susubukan. Bingo! Carlos Conya. Kicks it up. Pilia Abril. Luger from the lane. Tama, seconds to play, 55 seconds can rock, shot clock turn. Ball fake, the big man. Lumpas, looking for Oliva, here it comes, ang bilis naman. Doesn't work. 40 seconds later, here comes Carlos Correa. Carlos gives him up in position. Flores, Carlos gives two. Ilalabas mo na dito Oliva, shot back with T. 1 second shot off. Marces, Indesian. Shot clock is off. Dapat mo ito. Here comes Carlos Correa. 10 seconds countdown. Foul. More isa para sa Team Abel. Shotaki, first of all, screen attacking in goal inside down two. Extra pass at the corner. Doesn't work. Diyan, hello, Carlos Correa ang magtatoy. First of all, screen, hahanapin ang listapan ng tingulong susubukan. Masyadong malakas on ball for Marces. Going on jersey number 71. Siya rin ang magtatoy. Sasayaw ng depensa siyang takbo team. Camacho. 10 seconds shot off. Step and jumper, shot back down to center. Here comes go inside net. The 150 foot open for Billy Abreu. Babalik na naman ulit. Here comes Billy Abreu down the lane. Huli doon. Tatakbo yan. Jersey number 71, Peter Vedabab. Down to 5. Outing stomach. At babalik yan para sa Team Abel. Jersey number 71, nakaapak sa linya. Here comes Marces. Kuyuka, here's the Billy Abreu from the lane, kicks it out at the corner. Shot na count to 10, ilalabas, ibibigay Kuyuka. Here's the big man, extra pass. Carlos Correa, perfect shot, block 5. Babalik Court General Amanyo, ibibigay sa gilid, ibabalik, ilalabas, shot back down to 10. Here comes the Court General, go inside, may tawag. Pagkali sa 45. Looking for, and now Oliva, Dutano, perfect follow-up. And it out, over Marces. Doesn't work. Babalik yan, para sa the New Home Couples. Here comes the Court General, Amanyo, didiscarded, looking for Kuyuka. Here's the big man, go inside, Shasoy, and Bonnie, looking for Marces. Ibabalik. Yan. The Court General, Amanyo, steal. Here comes Camacho. Here comes Amanyo, cross over the Court General. Ibibigay na, that's out, it's out. Let's look. Babalik ang pagka. Nako! Shotatan! Last second, and out on the Bertalima. Nako, muntikan na naman, Marces on board. Ibibigay yan, Abahero. Here comes atake. Janaya, big kampiyan. May sumabak. Mintis yung dalawa. Nagtabing para ka jersey number 28, Hisco. Ang ibang tapos lagi. Down the net is steal. Here comes Camacho. Team Abel position. Tornado go inside. Easy here. Yang bilis. Didiscarding yan from the rainbow. Here it comes. Outing stomach. Roving kicks it out. Shot like down to 12. Ibibigay Carlos Correa. Using the ball screen. Shot like down to 7 is steal. At kawan. Babalik yan para sa Team Abel. 2 minutes and 25. Marces, ball fake attacking down to left. Luger with the right-handed. Masyadong malakas. Babalik ulit para sa Camacho. Creating space under the rim. Luzon, Agawan, Tulacan. Babalikan na New York Campus Pastels. Steal. Walang nagpapaawat. 1 minute and 18. Looking for Jadika. Hastings. Steal na naman ulit. Babalikan. Here comes Alex Samagego. It's a minute from. What a good difference. Here's Marces. Gabacha. Here comes Winapa. There's a Massima. Looking for Jadika from the lane. Magkitang-kita yun. The second shot clock, precision team Amyo. 1 minute in line, and body, Camacho. Shot clock 7. Attacking from the baseline, reverse! The second shot clock, steal, tapat mo. Here comes Camacho, and goal inside, lays it in. 4 seconds definition dito yung shot in game clock. The big man Bill Gabriel, it doesn't work. Babalikan para sa team Amya. Ball is good. Massima. Bobby. 11 seconds good. Casey down. Carla Sonia. Stop and pop at the lane. Last ball. Watching attacking down the lane, go inside, using the high cross, doesn't work over from Marces. And now, Camacho gets it by Tabak, extra pass now, to Tado, loose ball, recover, he gets the ball back, but doesn't work. Babalikin para Camacho, kakabigyan ng depensa, ibibigay, ilalabas siya down to the there's the ball screen. Marces, from the railway, shoot. Siya down to the ibibigay, here's the defense, Kayonga, attacking, kicks it out, that's Moya, ball fake, attacking, it go inside, ibibigay ulit. Kuyuka, Jabiman, doesn't work, Tapigan. Babalikan para sa team. 15 seconds shot. 10 seconds shot. Ball fake. Attacking the defense. Rocky naman! Shot at the deter naman, big ng pihit extra pass. Ilalabas ito. Marces. Ilalabas. But there's a double foul. There's a double foul. Marces and Bali. Kicks it out. Shot at the team Camacho. Ibibigay. Marces. On the radio, doesn't work. Tapikan ang position. Babalikan para sa New York. 10 seconds to go. Let's go niya, steal, others. Babalikan para sa team Amya. Nahihirap pang tumawid. Flores. Cross-court pass. Ibibigay, Camacho. There's the ball screen. Susubukan. From the lane, but doesn't work. Looking for the big man. Shason. And now, Camacho, here it comes in going southward, collected, Pagpag Marces. There's the beam and steal na naman ulit. Team Amya, Lucas, and now Camacho, pull up from 18. Masyado malakas na pigil ng position. Babalik din naman. Here comes Rama, and around. Second drive, deny. Amya, Jacques Camacho, creating space, lift up jumper ball up. Season, looking for the big man Kuyuka, shot back down to machine, ibibigay, nasa pen. Moving, attacking down the lane, steal. Here comes Marces, go inside, using the high cross. Hello, here comes Marces, creating space, moving, oh! Basket and one, what a foul! Flores, tunayang siya magtatawid, muntikan man di kumawala. Here comes Camacho, attacking one distance combination, moving on. And now, Oliva. sunod, babalikan. Para sa Team Amya, Oliva, aantay ng kasama. Bote Camacho, attacking Janjale. Here it comes. Lose one. Lucas, Christine, Oliva. Cover. This is it. Babalik kay Marces. Here it comes. Using the high class. Jacques Curti. Here's the ball screen. Carlos Moya. Tayugan. Marces, Camacho, Shakate. Here's the ball screen. Susubukan, from way downtown, Desiree, babalikan para sa Team Amya. Back to rotation na Camacho. Here comes creating space. Desiree. Matatlo, ilalabas, ibabalik muna. Shot down the draw. Carl with the isolation. Looking for outlets down on moving. Attacking, go inside. Ano ba na guys, magbabalikan. Kuyuga, shot at down to drop, siya ng diniskarte. Sasayawan with the crossover, Kuyuga, papagpagin. Ang gawan ng gawan, babalikan ka sa Team of Campus. Kabigan, under the rim. Team of the position. Jose Jones sa Johan, ibibigay yung goals. Lucas, looking for, turn around, impinihit, and happen is para sa Team Amya, siyang nakiji. Ilalabas muna, Dutano. Looking for jersey number 71, Liang Shamas. Wide open at the goal, Desiree. Para sa Sligas na bakit. 2 minutes and 35 seconds kilo. Carlos Moya. Diniskarte. Ayaw kumawala, siyang nagkatutan. Alex Lana! Here comes down the steal. Babalik na naman ulit. Para sa the Europe Campus, Janakiti. Last two. Alex Lana na naman at this time. 1 minute and 52. Ibibigay, Marces, ilalabas sa gilid, shot like down to the team. Susubukan ng the corner, kasi mo, tapikan na position under with the Newman. Here it comes, and now Carlos Moya. Aantay muna ang kasama nito Carlos Moya. Janakiti. Guard, attacking, nakawala, go inside, kicks it up at the corner. Tayong nagkasuot. Babalikan para sa the New Campus. Here Carlos Moya, sasayawan, attacking, nakawala, with the right-handed, ayaw. Team Amya position. Baggers to the Amers now. It is fine. Right over Camacho. Seconds to play. Janakiti. Alex Lana at this time. 45 seconds game on. Looking for Dutano. Petit. Passes. Put it away. In and out. Last 25. Camacho. Last 19. Petit.
Philippines